Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, welcome, my name is Claire. I've got another advent calendar unboxing to share with you, and I have got the cheapest advent calendar from the Body Shop. There's 3 advent calendars released this year. There's the £140 advent calendar, an £80 advent calendar, and this is the £55 advent calendar, and it contains 24 mini Body Shop treats. The box is absolutely stunning. It is beautiful. So you've got these pop-up little characters here. It does look really gorgeous. It smells absolutely stunning. I can't wait to get in there. This is my very first Body Shop advent calendar that I've ever bought. I've never been lucky enough to buy one actually. Whenever I think of getting one, they're always sold out. But no, they're still available now, and I bought this a couple of days ago. I love these little boxes that they come in. I think it's beautiful. Definitely 10 out of 10 for design. Definitely. But let's see what the contents are like. So I'm going to go through them one by one, showing you exactly what's inside. But if you're interested in this advent calendar for yourself or one of the others that are still available, you'll find all the details down in my description. So underneath this video you'll see show more or a downward arrow. If you to click that, that'll bring up my description and everything will be listed down there. So let's get on to trying to find day number 1. It says, this Christmas we're celebrating the people who selflessly care for others all year round. For the next 23 days, let's join them and share that selfless love with the world. We've got a strawberry hand cream, and this is 30 mils here. Body Shop do the most amazing hand creams. I love them. The nearest Body Shop to me is about 45-minute drive away. It's not a shop that I often visit, but when I go to the town, I always pop in. Oh my word, I'm going to be fighting off these products from my daughter. I love the smell. That is so nice. Strawberry hand cream, day number 1. Number 2, unite your neighbours by coming together to decorate your tree down your road or street. And we've got a British Rose shower gel, 60 mils here. Now, I don't like rose smells, so let's see what this is like. I don't think I've ever been drawn to this either. I suppose because it says rose. It's not something I go in the shop and I go, ooh. No, actually that's not too bad. Without sticking my nose right in there, that's not too bad actually. That's not as bad as I thought it would be. And it's a nice size to try as well. Day number 3. Write 5 notes with random compliments. Now leave them in unexpected places like a train and bus seats or a colleague's desk to share some love. And we've got these bath bubbles. This is pink grapefruit bath bubble. I've had these before, they're really nice. You can get lots of different scents. And I think they cost around £2 or £1.75 each, I think. I love grapefruit, I love it. Yeah. Happy with that. Although saying that, we are getting rid of our bath. We will have one day. Since the pandemic, my husband has had to work from home, so we've got a little room that we intended to make into a little tiny bathroom upstairs, but in the last 5-6 years we've just never got round to doing it. It turned into my little YouTube filming room, but he needed an office away from us lot, so he's gone in there. But we need to do up our bathroom downstairs, and we're going to have a walk-in shower and no bath. Never mind. What day are we on? What day number 4? Oh, the big one, yeah, I can't miss it. Know somebody who selflessly cares for others. Offer to make them dinner for a week. And we have got a little puff, a body puff here. This is a little shower puff or bath to use with your shower gels. Yeah, that's nice. I like that. Number 5, massage 5 people. Now that is asking something, isn't it? No, message 5 people in your phone book and tell them why they're so awesome. And we have got a body butter. This is a mango body butter for dry skin. 50 mils here. Oh, I love these as well. Let's try a little bit there. I'm really excited by this calendar. I am really excited. Oh, it smells gorgeous as well as the strawberry hand cream. But yeah, it smells absolutely gorgeous. It feels amazing. Yeah, got a mango body butter. Number 6 up here. Bake with your besties and share your tasty treats at your local care home or food bank. we've got shampoo, a banana truly nourishing shampoo for normal to dry hair, and there's 60 mils here. Oh, I don't think I've ever tried the shampoos and conditioners. It smells like banana milkshake. Yeah, it's lovely. I wonder if we'll get the conditioner in the box as well. If you're having a shampoo, you want the conditioner as well, don't you? So yeah, so here's that. Number 7. Collect litter at your local park or wild place. Feel good, enjoy the air. Got a lip balm. This is Born Lippy, and we have got a watermelon. I remember these lip balms being really, really popular when I was in school. I love watermelon scent. I've got to be really careful. Oh! Not nail friendly. My daughter will want that, guaranteed. Number 8. Send a surprise Christmas card to a neighbour. Make everybody feel together. Pink grapefruit shower gel. Oh, gorgeous, gorgeous, gorgeous. Right, 60 mils there. Oh, let me sniff. It smells so nice. Oh, it smells so nice. If you have any Body Shop favourites and scents, please let me know down below. Oh, that is so, so nice. Yeah, I love that. Number 9. Sign up today to volunteer at your local care home, food bank, women's refuge or homeless shelter. And we have got a calming and protecting hand cream, almond milk and honey for sensitive dry hands. So this is more of an intensive hand cream than the other one. So yeah, almond milk and honey. Yeah. I wasn't expecting it to have a strong scent at all, but I smell the honey. Yeah, that's nice. Number 10. Give a gift to somebody who is too busy caring for others, even if it's a hug or a cuppa. And we have got a coconut shower cream, and we've got 60 mils here. I've had this before, and this is lovely. It's really nice. I just have to sniff it. I have to sniff everything. Yeah, it's lovely. Oh, and the coconut body butters as well. Yeah, beautiful, beautiful. Number 11. Hold doors open, offer your seat on the bus or train, help the elderly cross the street, be super kind all day and every day. We've got a skin clearing facial wash with purifying tea tree oil from the foothills of Mount Kenya, and there's 60 mils here. Oh, this would be really handy actually for my daughter. Yeah, skin clearing face wash. Yeah. Day number 12, and now we're on to the second layer. Halfway through, invite somebody selfless over to pamper, revive and unwind, share the joy together. And in here we've got a sheet mask. This is a vitamin C glow sheet mask enriched with vitamin C, camu from the Amazonian rainforest in Peru. After 15 minutes, grumpy skin feels hydrated, awakened and healthier. Got a sheet mask. Number 13, man. Post a note through the door of somebody who cares selflessly to say thank you. And then we got another bubble bar. This is a coconut bath bubble. I think we've had this one before. I know we've had all the fruity ones. I'm sure we've had a coconut one as well at some point. Number 14. Loved ones spending Christmas alone, why not video call them to spread some festive love? Oh, we got a soap. I love soaps. I absolutely love them. We got a coconut soap there. So a nice full-size soap. So nice, so nice. With cold pressed virgin coconut oil from Samoa, Polynesia. And we've got 100 grams here. So I love the wrapping on soaps as well. To the point where I don't usually use them. I don't want to open them up. Oh, I just love them. Coconut soap. I'm getting confused now. I think 15. Help out somebody selfless by babysitting their kids, walking their pug, watering their plants, or just being there for them. And we've got 60 ml strawberry shower gel. Just like the hand cream. Oh, that's so good. So, so good. Yeah, I love that. Number 16, down the bottom here. Local business or charity you love, leave a review to show your love and appreciation. There we go, we got the banana conditioner to go with the banana shampoo we had earlier. Number 17, starting to look a little bit bare now. Know any neighbours spending Christmas alone? Get your street together and sing them some carols. I think I'm nuts. But it's a nice idea. We've got a Moringa bath bubble here. What's the smell? Yeah, it's a lovely smell. It smells like bubblegum though. It does smell like bubblegum. 18. Has a teacher, colleague or friend inspired you? Let them know how much they make a difference and how much you appreciate them. What have we got here? Oh my word. Spread love, share joy. Look, the little hair clips. Hold on, if I just take them out of the wrapper, you'll be able to see it better. And the little Christmas hair clips. It's got something for your hair. 19. Too many toasty clothes in your wardrobe? Why not give them to a homeless person or your local shelter? And we have got British Rose Exfoliating Gel Body Scrub. And there's 50 mils here. I can have a proper smell of it now. I think we had the shower gel last time, didn't we? In the rose, and I wasn't too sure. But oh, look at that. No, it is a type of rosy smell I don't really like. I wouldn't say, oh, it's horrible for me, but it's, yeah, it is quite a rosy smell. Number 20. Indoor plants help improve air quality, creativity and well-being. Send one to your selfless bestie for some natural TLC. And we have got a pink grapefruit hand cream. I'm going to have to try this as well. And I just realised I've just put it on top of the strawberry one. Ooh, doesn't matter, doesn't matter. At least my hands will feel super, super soft. Oh, I just love it. I love pink grapefruit. It's so refreshing and uplifting. I really, really love it. Yeah, that's gorgeous. I do really like that. 21. What book changed your life? Change someone else's by leaving a copy at your nearest book swap stand. And we have got almond milk and honey for sensitive dry skin. We've got a shower cream and the 60 mils here. So we've got a hand cream and a shower cream for extra dry skin. Oh, and I know this is going to smell lovely of honey. Yeah, that's nice. I just think of Greece, I just think of eating Greek yogurt with honey and walnuts. So yeah. Number 22. Love yourself with this treat. Now share those feel-good vibes with the ones you love. Oh, okay. We've got a sheet mask. We've got a vitamin E sheet mask. Enriched with natural origin hyaluronic acid from Pomacal. Have I said that right? Pomacal, France, and wheat germ oil. After 15 minutes, thirsty skin feels hydrated, softer and smoother. And it's suitable for all skin types. It's got a vitamin E mask. I don't think I've ever tried any sheet masks from the Body Shop before. No, so we've got 2 of them. Oh, the box is looking rather empty now. Last 2. Number 23. What's your favourite Christmas movie? Invite a friend over to share that festive magic. And we have got a mango shower gel. 60 mils there. I just know this is going to be beautiful. So we got the body butter. And I think that's it from mango, isn't it? I think we had the body butter near the start. Oh, that's beautiful. That's so, so nice. I love shower gels. The fruitier, the better. I love it. Day number 24. Have we got a special item for day number 24? Like the star product of the advent calendar? Or not? Because some advent calendars don't really. It's just another day, isn't it? We'll see now. Spending a little too long on the mobile? Why not go offline for the day and spend the time helping your most selfless friends and family? What have we got? We've got a body butter. So nothing different, but obviously something really nice because I really like this. This is sheer for very dry skin and we got 50 mils here. So perfect for the coming months over winter, especially my legs. My legs get really, really dry. Oh, just look at that. Look at that. Oh, I love their body butters. So thick and luxurious. Yeah, smells nice. Oh, my hands are feeling amazing. They just feel absolutely wonderful. I just need to massage it more down into my cuticles now. But yeah, so day number 24, and we've got a shea butter, body butter. So those are all the products inside the £55 Body Shop advent calendar. This was the more affordable advent calendar. I'm a huge fan, as you probably already know if you've been following me for a while, on fruity shower gels and body butters and creams. I just find having a shower with pink grapefruit, mango, strawberry, or whatever just invigorates me. I just love it, absolutely love it. And maybe next year I might go up a tier. I might go to a middle one. Do you think it's worth it? Have you seen any other advent calendar unboxings from the Body Shop? How do they compare? I'd love to hear what your thoughts are. But yeah, also on this one in particular as well, as you are watching this, have you got this one for yourself, or are you wondering if this is for you or not? I'd love to hear what you think, so please comment down below. I hope you enjoyed watching. If you did, it'd be lovely if you give me a big thumbs up, and if you haven't done so already, please subscribe to my channel for lots more videos to come. So take care, and I'll speak soon. Bye.